Javelina, one of great fighters. The collared peccary, also known as Javelina, shares some physical characteristics with pigs. However, it belongs to a distinct family of animals, and has several distinctive features that differentiate it from pigs. Javelinas can grow up to 120 centimeters in length and weigh up to 30 kilograms. They can be found in the northern regions of Argentina and Brazil, as well as in Mexico and the southwestern part of the United States, including Arizona, Texas, and New Mexico. Unlike pigs, javelinas have a 3-chambered stomach that aids in the efficient digestion of vegetation, which constitutes a significant part of their diet. Cacti are a crucial food source for javelinas, and they use their snouts to break off the spines to get to the fruit. Although they have a tendency to engage in fights with members of their own species, they are fiercely loyal to their herd and defend each other against predators. While cougars pose a significant threat to javelinas, even a large one cannot take on an entire herd. Javelinas possess a gland that secretes a potent scent, which is used to mark territory and identify members of the herd. These animals are intelligent and have demonstrated problem-solving abilities, such as accessing food from a locked dumpster. Javelinas are not afraid of humans and often enter human settlements, where they can cause harm to pets. The dominant male in a herd has the right to mate with females, and pregnancy lasts about 5 months, resulting in the birth of 1 to 4 babies. Javelinas are resilient and can adapt well to unfavorable environmental conditions. Overall, the population of javelinas is relatively stable, and they are protected in many countries. If you enjoyed this information, please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you, and have a great day.